Okay, now I am going to be downloading the recipe from the retailer's perspective, right? My brand account has created that recipe, shared it with HighIQ, and now from the perspective of the marketing individual working with HighIQ, I will be viewing those assets, installing those assets, and making edits. So if I refresh the page, you'll notice an alert has now generated. Recipe alert. Brands Demo has sent you an exclusive invite to partner on a co-marketing campaign recipe, right? What I can do now is say, oh, all right, that's kind of interesting. Let me see what they got going on. Show me. It's going to generate a new tab. I'm now in my recipe store, which can be found on the nav bar underneath recipes. HighIQ promo. This is the recipe card which the Brands Demo has built for me. I can see where it's from. I see Alpine IQ's logo. I'm able to see what the brand has agreed to budget for this recipe. In this case, the brand is willing to pay 100% of whatever cost is associated with this campaign. It'll expire in 6 days. I can see it's sponsored by the brand. It is a new recipe. It is unused. I haven't installed it. And it is for a text message. So I'm interested. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I can see the overview, which is shared to me from the brand. I can see the ingredients included in this recipe. They've included an audience and they've included a campaign. I can also see the contact information for an individual at my vendor, which I can reach out to for questions. I'm going to go ahead and install this into my account. Proceed and install. Once I've installed, it'll take me straight to the recipe card. From the recipe card, I will be able to view and edit the ingredients which have been included. I can view and edit the audience. I can also view and edit the campaign. So this is what they've built for me. It's called HighIQ New Flower Drop. I can view the text message. Okay, so this is the text message they've built for me. I can see that they've added it to the promotional group and it's a blast for the 21st, right? All right, so what I'll be able to do here is, let's say I want to make an edit. I'm going to click on this. Let's say I want to add, please shop below, because on this button I have added a link to my e-com platform. Save design as campaign. You'll notice instead of save campaign, this now says request changes, right? It's because this has been sent to you from the brand. So if they're paying for it and you make edits, we need to make sure that those edits are in line with what the brand is still willing to sponsor. I can request those changes. I can also view what changes have I made. I can view what it looked like when it was first sent to me. I can also view what it looks like now that I've edited it. Save and send for approval. Those have now been sent to the brand for an approval. I can now see that this campaign is pending approval and view your requested changes to this campaign. I can also view what I've requested.